A clean home begins with a clean couch. It's often the centerpiece of your living room, the place where you unwind, and the spot where your family gathers. Your couch is more than just furniture. It's the heart of your living room. It's where you binge watch your favorite shows, read a good book, or simply take a nap. It's where you relax after a long day, entertain guests, and create cherished memories with loved ones. Think about all the laughter, conversations, and even the occasional spill that happens here. But over time, this beloved piece of furniture can become a magnet for dust mites, dirt, allergens, and unpleasant odors. These particles can settle deep into the fabric, making it not only unsightly, but also unhealthy. Regular cleaning is essential to maintain a healthy and inviting living space. Vacuuming your couch weekly can help remove surface dirt and prevent it from becoming embedded in the fabric. A deep clean goes beyond the surface, removing embedded dirt and refreshing the fabric. Using the right cleaning solutions and techniques can make a significant difference in the cleanliness and longevity of your couch. This not only enhances the appearance of your couch, but also extends its lifespan, keeping it looking its best for years to come. A well-maintained couch can save you money in the long run by delaying the need for a replacement. Whether your couch is showing visible stains or simply needs a refresh, a thorough cleaning can make all the difference. Stains from food, drinks, or pets can be particularly stubborn, but with the right approach, they can be effectively removed. It's time to give your couch the care it deserves and restore its former glory. Not only will it look better, but it will also feel more comfortable and inviting. So, take the time to clean your couch regularly and enjoy a healthier, more pleasant living environment. Consider using a steam cleaner for a deeper clean. Steam cleaning can kill bacteria and dust mites, providing a more thorough cleanse than vacuuming alone. It's especially useful for households with pets or allergies. After cleaning, don't forget to fluff the cushions and arrange decorative pillows. This not only makes your couch look inviting, but also helps maintain the shape and comfort of the cushions. Applying a fabric protector can also help keep your couch looking new. It creates a barrier that repels spills and stains, making future cleanings easier and more effective. A clean couch contributes to a happier, healthier home. It's a small effort that yields significant rewards, enhancing your living space and improving your overall well-being. So, make couch cleaning a regular part of your home maintenance routine. In the end, a clean couch is more than just a piece of furniture. It's a sanctuary of comfort and joy. Take pride in maintaining it, and you'll find that your living room becomes an even more cherished space for you and your loved ones. Ready to get started? Grab your cleaning supplies and follow along as we guide you through the steps to deep clean your microfiber couch safely and effectively. Let's make your living room the best it can be. Before embarking on your cleaning mission, gather all the necessary tools and supplies. Having everything on hand will streamline the process and make your cleaning experience more efficient. Here's what you'll need: a vacuum cleaner with an upholstery attachment, 2 microfiber cloths, one for cleaning, one for drying, a spray bottle, a soft bristled brush, distilled water, rubbing alcohol, and mild liquid dish soap. By assembling these simple cleaning essentials, you'll be well equipped to tackle even the toughest couch cleaning challenges. The first step to a deep clean is a thorough vacuuming. This is essential to ensure that the cleaning process is effective and efficient. This crucial step removes loose dirt, dust, and debris, preparing the fabric for a more effective cleaning. By eliminating these particles, you prevent them from turning into mud when you apply the cleaning solution. Attach the upholstery brush to your vacuum cleaner and methodically vacuum the entire surface of your couch. The upholstery brush is designed to be gentle on fabric while being tough on dirt. Pay close attention to crevices, seams, and areas where crumbs and pet hair tend to accumulate. These hidden spots often harbor the most dirt and can be easily overlooked. Vacuuming not only removes loose dirt, but also lifts the fibers of the microfiber, allowing the cleaning solution to penetrate deeper. This lifting action helps to rejuvenate the fabric, making it look fresher and more vibrant. This ensures a more thorough and effective clean. A well-vacuumed couch sets the stage for the next steps in the deep cleaning process, ensuring that your efforts yield the best possible results. Taking the time to vacuum properly can make a significant difference in the overall cleanliness and appearance of your couch. Now, let's create the cleaning solution that will work its magic on your microfiber couch. In your spray bottle, combine the following ingredients: 1 cup of distilled water, half a cup of rubbing alcohol, and 1 teaspoon of mild liquid dish soap. Gently swirl the bottle to mix the ingredients without creating excessive suds. The rubbing alcohol acts as a disinfectant, while the dish soap helps break down dirt and grime. The distilled water ensures a streak-free finish. Before applying the cleaning solution to the entire couch, address any visible stains or spills. For fresh spills, blot the area with a clean, dry cloth to absorb as much moisture as possible. Avoid rubbing, as this can spread the stain and damage the microfiber fibers. For set-in stains, dampen a microfiber cloth with the cleaning solution and gently blot the affected area. Do not saturate the fabric. Repeat the blotting process until the stain lifts. The art of cleaning microfiber, a step-by-step guide. Microfiber couches are known for their comfort and durability, but they can be tricky to clean. This guide will walk you through the process, ensuring your couch looks as good as new. Now that your couch is prepped and your cleaning solution is ready, it's important to understand the materials you're working with. Microfiber is a synthetic fabric that requires special care to maintain its texture and appearance. It's time for the deep clean. Follow these simple steps to ensure a thorough and effective cleaning process. Remember, patience and attention to detail are key. First, working in small sections, focus on one area at a time to avoid missing any spots. This methodical approach will help you achieve a more even clean. Mix the cleaning solution onto the microfiber fabric. Avoid soaking the couch, as too much liquid can damage the material and lead to water stains. Second, using a clean microfiber cloth, gently rub the solution into the fabric. The circular motion helps to lift dirt and grime from the fibers without causing damage. Gently rub the solution into the fabric in circular motions. This technique ensures that the cleaning solution penetrates deeply, breaking down any embedded dirt. Third, for stubborn dirt or grime, don't be afraid to use a bit more elbow grease. The soft bristled brush is perfect for agitating the area without harming the delicate fibers. This step is crucial for removing tough stains and ensuring a deep clean. Finally, once a section is clean, take a moment to inspect your work. Make sure all the dirt and cleaning solution have been removed. Wipe it with a clean, damp cloth to remove any residue from the cleaning solution. This final wipe down will help restore the couch's natural texture and shine, working your way across the entire surface of the couch. By following these steps, you can keep your microfiber couch looking fresh and new for years to come. Regular maintenance and proper cleaning techniques are essential for preserving the beauty and longevity of your furniture. Before we carry on, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more cleaning tips and tricks. Now back to the video. Proper drying is crucial to prevent watermarks and musty odors. Open windows and doors to allow for air circulation. If possible, use fans to speed up the drying process. Avoid direct sunlight as this can fade the fabric. Allow the couch to dry completely before using it again. This may take several hours or overnight, depending on the humidity levels in your home. If your couch still harbors unpleasant odors, sprinkle baking soda over the fabric. Allow the baking soda to sit for several hours or overnight to absorb the odors. Then, thoroughly vacuum the couch to remove the baking soda. For stubborn odors, repeat the baking soda treatment or consider using an upholstery freshener specifically designed for microfiber fabrics. Always test any new cleaning product on an inconspicuous area of your couch before applying it to the entire surface. Once your microfiber couch is sparkling clean, maintain its freshness with these simple tips. Vacuum your couch weekly to remove dust, crumbs, and pet hair. Address spills and stains promptly to prevent them from setting. Fluff and rotate cushions regularly to ensure even wear and tear. Consider using a couch cover to protect the fabric from dirt and spills. By incorporating these practices into your cleaning routine, you can keep your couch looking its best for years to come. To preserve the beauty and longevity of your microfiber couch, remember these essential care tips. Always check the care label attached to your couch for specific cleaning instructions. Avoid using harsh chemicals, bleach, or abrasive cleaners on microfiber. Do not machine wash or dry clean microfiber couch cushions or covers unless the care label specifically permits it. Regular vacuuming and prompt stain removal are key to maintaining a clean and odor-free couch. By following these simple guidelines, you can enjoy your microfiber couch for many years to come. Congratulations! You've successfully deep cleaned your microfiber couch and banished those nasty odors. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the feeling of sinking into a fresh and inviting sofa. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in maintaining a clean and comfortable home. By incorporating these cleaning tips into your routine, you can enjoy a spotless haven for years to come. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.